How to redeem PayPal's gift card. So the very first thing you need to make sure that you have the gift card of PayPal. Once you have it, head over to your application PayPal. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this interface. At the top, you can see the option of wallet. Click on it. And then click on Visa at the bottom. If you haven't added any of the card, then you will have to enter your gift card details and then tap on Link Card. Once the card has been linked, you can select the gift card as the default payment. Well, sometime you might run into an error trying to add a gift card to your PayPal account as a payment method, because gift card lack personal identity, unlike the traditional issued credit card. If you run into this kind of trouble, register a gift card. There should be instruction on the card that will direct you to the website for registration. Additionally, there are also ways to exchange non-credit card gift card for money in the PayPal account. But the cost of the transaction is significant, usually a minimum of 10% of the value of the gift card. So that's how you can register a gift card and use it. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem PayPal gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.